about the celebration of the success of these youngsters who have completed their wonderful degree. So therefore, let's stick to the subject of Whistlewood Institute today,
Media and communication.
and basically media and communications. That would be.
Thank you for coming. I would say that today is the 8th convocation of the success of the Whistling Woods. You have always been with us and you have seen the struggle, rise and fall, and problems and success and merits of Whistling Woods. There is nothing that you do not know about it, you see. But one thing we are proud to say, that our students who have passed from here, they are doing fantastic. They are in media, they are in cinema, they are working, they are really creative. We are very happy for the success of the students, and that's what matters. And second thing is that we believe in a quality education with a creative mind. If you ask me, I would say that we thought probably in the beginning, in 2000 when I started setting up this institute, that time it was in my mind for the Skill India, for the Digital India, for Make in India. All these things were there in our mind, which we are hearing from Prime Ministers finally somewhere in practical life. And Whistling Wood is meant for all these three skills. So I would like you to ask any question regarding Whistling Woods. We are here and we are honored that Mr. Murthy has spent his time with us, shared with his views with the students, and I think it is a golden moment for Whistling Woods to have Mr. Murthy with us. And please ask your question.
सवाल जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, जब इस तरह की कॉम्पिटिशन सेरेमनी होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने कॉलेज डेज को भी याद करते होंगे आप, उनके वो मोमेंट याद आता है जब आपको कॉन्वोकेशन प्रोग्राम से सम्मानित किया जाता है, जब आपने अपना कॉन्वोकेशन किया?
जब भी ऐसे कॉन्वोकेशन होते हैं तो आपको अपने कॉन्वोकेशन की याद आती है, अपने कॉलेज डेज की याद आती है कि कितने बड़े ड्रीमर थे, और बाद में वो कॉन्वोकेशन तो हुआ, उसके बाद स्ट्रगल कितना करना पड़ा, उसके बाद ह्यूमिलेशंस आनी पड़ी, काम नहीं मिला, फिर काम ढूंढा, फिर काम किया, तो फिर जो प्रोफेशन ने सिखाया वो उससे भी ज़्यादा सिखाया. दैट इज़ वाई वी टेल आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू बी स्टूडेंट टिल द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ, बिकॉज लाइफ विल टीच यू मोर. तो मुझे भी याद है, लेकिन मुझे अपना बचपन भी याद है कि जब मैं चल भी नहीं सकता था, माँ ऐसे पकड़ती थी. तो सब चीज़ें याद तो आती हैं.